Alright, so we have sorted the interferences. Now the next job is to add the drafts and rounds, which is the most crucial uh, you know concept or tool or requirement for the manufacturing of the plastic parts. Alright, now first and foremost thing is I'll be shelling the material. So I'll just click on the surface and the material will be removed in this fashion. I'll just press OK. Alright, we have removed the material. Now the thing is, we will be adding the drafts at first. Now you tell me what should be the direction of the draft. Okay, I'm trying to do it. Is this correct? Imagine the part is being lifted in this direction, and the draft which I have added for this part, if you're looking from the top, can we see the walls? No, we cannot see the walls. That means it is an undercut. We have to edit and reposition it and see that we must be ensuring that we must be able to see the walls. All right, so when it is lifted in this direction, then the part can be easily removed from the core and cavity. All right, I'll use the same draft because all the walls are of same positioning and shapes. Add the drafts to all the walls. All right, so wherever we have vertical walls, try to add drafts everywhere. Do not miss it. I think I'm adding everywhere. You can constantly check with the draft analysis. I think I've missed somewhere. Just press Ctrl Z. Yes, so you can constantly check the draft analysis option and see that you have added the draft for all the surfaces. There shouldn't be any white surface left. We should have blue and red surfaces joining at a parting line. The region where you have blue, it should be completely filled with blue. There shouldn't be any opposite color because that will indicate an undercut. All right, so these are some tricks which you have to consider when you are working with the drafts. All right, I'm just cross checking every vertical wall. I'll just press OK, and we will add the draft on the top as well. I'll select this surface, so right click on draft hinge, select it 1 degree inward, click on individual surface, hold Ctrl and select these vertical walls. I think I missed the surfaces. So it sometimes we forget clicking or holding control when we are selecting multiple surfaces, and forgetting of uh, holding the control sometimes deselects all the surfaces which we have selected so far, and we have to again select them. So in that case, you can just press Ctrl Z, come back to the state where you were holding all the parts or all the surfaces, and again press C. This happened to me again. I'll just press Ctrl Z. Now I'll hold the control icon appropriately, or the control key, and add the drafts. So wherever the drafts are missing, just add them. All the vertical walls have to be drafted. Have I missed anything? Yeah, the side surfaces. Press OK. Now it is very important for us to perform the draft analysis. I'll go to draft, I'll go to analysis, select draft, select the part, go to the direction, I'll select the top plane, and now you can see that it is completely blue. That means it is a perfectly drafted feature. There shouldn't be any red over here, or if you have any red, that indicates it is a it is an undercut. Okay, now the bottom side, it is very clean, it is perfectly red. There is no blues over here. All right, and there is no whites as well. So this indicates that this is a perfectly drafted component. So I'll just save it, and we will come back to our assembly over here, and this analysis got saved. I'll just go to analysis, turn this off, close it, come back to our model, and let us just change the colors of this one. Which color do you like? All right, let this be something darker color, because generally these are darker shades. Is it changed or no? Okay, fine. And let us bring back all the components together. All right, so we have reached a very fine state. Now there is a last task, that is adding of the switch. We can follow the same methodology over here, and we can add up, and after this we can add the drafts and rounds for the upper covers and lower covers. All right, so let us hop to the next video and work on that.